What's up, guys? Brent here. Again, I know, blowing up your feed. I apologize. I got some very exciting news today. So I've officially been accepted at the University of Tampa for the spring semester. They do not have an exercise science program, but they do have an exercise science degree, which means just being a student at the University of Tampa, I can go for that degree and walk out of that, graduate from that school with my degree in exercise science, which is freaking phenomenal. I'm so excited. I'm still going to stay at USF. I'm still working right now for grade forgiveness for 2As. I'm going to go back next semester and get 2 more. That'll take my 3.0 to hopefully 4 A's, and whatever that is. And then I'm going to apply for the exercise science program in the spring. And now this is only, by the way, if UT can defer me to the fall. So that's my plan. If UT can defer me to the fall, I'm going to do this semester next at USF. I'm going to do this semester either way because I'm already locked in. And then I'm going to, then I'm going to apply for the exercise science program at USF. Now that is a program. They take 30 students a semester. It's only by GPA. That's the school I'm at right now that I've been at for like 4 semesters while I've done all my prereqs. Anyway, they only take 30 students a semester, only by GPA. Top 30 highest GPAs, that's it. I applied this last spring. I did not get in. So I'm doing grade forgiveness, like I just said, hoping for 4 A's, like I just said, and then I'm going to reapply. That would be an accomplishment to me. That would be an achievement. That's been something I've been working for. I also like my school, and I like being a Bull. Now, there's a lot of pros to UT as well. One, it's much closer to where I live. It's right by my work. It's not a program, so I could take classes and still work if I wanted to, whereas USF I couldn't. It's a full-time program I'm taking, 15 credits a semester, or 12 credits a semester, something like that, 12 to 15 something. Anyway, so UT also has an exercise science lab where they actually measure the effects of exercise on the body, which is right up my alley. So there's pros to both. Either way, I'm super stoked because what does this mean? This means that I'm going to have my degree in exercise science. Either way, unless I fail out of college, highly unlikely to happen. I've never gotten an F ever in my life. Or some unforeseen crazy circumstances happen. But it looks like I'm going to get my degree in exercise science. And with that degree, I'm going to pursue a career as an exercise physiologist. And I could work anywhere with anyone. I could work in hospitals. I could work on military bases. I could work in gyms. I could work with athletes. And I get to use science that I love so much. The science of nutrition and the science of exercise and how it affects the body. And I can use that knowledge and I can study that stuff and I can help people, really, truly help sick individuals, injured individuals, possibly athletes in the future, heal their body and use what we know from science to train the body and heal the body and get the body to perform at its best. And to me, it's so exciting. So exciting. So, yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave this video here short and sweet and to the point. Like the video if you like the video. Sub if you want to sub. I can't wait. I mean, this is what I want to do with the rest of my life, and I'm going to get to do it.